Hi, welcome to Advanced Quality.
My name is Fabiano.
I'm over here to help you with your project. We do a pressure cleaner and paver sealer. It's going to be a pleasure to help you with your project. Give us a call on 754-366-9223.
He did my neighbors a couple of weeks ago, and we asked Fabiano to please do our roof.
He also did a lovely job on our exterior part of the house with the shutters, our driveway.
He really did a good job. I really appreciate it.
I've been living here 41 years, and to find somebody like this, trust me, it's a gem.